Today I am going to define the concept of business globalization. So, business globalization is the expansion of business activities beyond the borders of a company's home country to operate on an international scale. It means business engaging in a lot of activities like trade, investments, and production in multiple countries around the world, for example. Globalization is very good because it allows companies to tap into new markets, access different resources, and take advantage of opportunities beyond their domestic countries. Next, I am going to explain what is a global mindset. The global mindset is the ability of people and organizations to think and act with a broad, inclusive perspective that considers the interconnectedness of the world. It involves three dimensions. The first one is the cognitive dimension. This refers to understanding global trends, markets, and the interdependencies. It involves being aware of different cultures, economic systems, and geopolitical factors that influences business operations on a global scale. Second is the psychological dimension. This dimension involves being open to new ideas, having empathy, and being able to adapt. It's all about being understanding to diverse viewpoints, embracing cultural differences, and being willing to learn from experiences in different cultural contexts. The last one is the behavioral dimension. The behavioral dimension of a global mindset involves communicating effectively, collaborating, and leading across diverse cultural backgrounds. It includes skills like cross cultural communication, negotiation, and conflict resolution. A global mindset is very important because it makes people and organizations able to understand better and deal with the new era that globalization has brought. It helps business identify opportunities, take less risks, and effectively compete in a diverse market by being creative and exploring new countries. Finally, I am going to talk about the traditional process for going global. This process usually involves a lot of steps like researching the market, for example. The companies study different countries to find out what they can sell the product or services. They look at things like how much people want, what they are selling, who else is selling similar things, and what the rules are in each country. Then they have to make a plan. After figuring out which market to enter, companies come up with a plan. It can mean like selling things to the other countries, letting other countries use their items, teaming up with other business, or even opening an office in other country. Once they have a plan, companies start doing things like setting up stores, making deals with local companies, or even building factories in the new countries. Then the companies have to change how they do things to fit in with the new places that they are working in. They might have to change the products a little bit or advertising or even how they run their businesses to match what people in the new country want and what the rules are there. Going global isn't easy at all. There are a lot of problems like different cultures, languages, and rules in each country. There can also be political problems, money problems, and other businesses to compete with. Companies have to be really careful and ready to change their plans if they want to do well in other countries.